Hello everyone. So in this video let's have a look at a very important concept in Java, which is pass by value. In interviews it is often asked whether the Java is pass by value or pass by reference. The answer to that question is Java is always 100% pass by value. What do I mean by that? Let's try to understand that with one code snippet. Let me create one main function, and in this main function I'll create one int of primitive type whose value is 1, and then we will pass this int I, this I variable, to one function. Let's call it change. I will create one change function which will be static and will return void. Argument will be int, and in this change function we are going to increment this I with 1. One more thing is left to do is, after we pass it the int I in change function, we will print this I variable in the main function. I in main, and one more sysout I will put it under this I, the incremented I in the change function. I in change. Now if I try to run this code, let's see the output. See, in change it is 2, the incremented value, but in main function it is still 1. So the concept is, whenever we pass any variable, in this case it was primitive int type, so whenever we pass it in the function, the exact value or the exact variable which is being used in the main function, that will not be passed to the next function. Instead of that, it will pass the copy of that, and in the change function, whenever it got incremented, so the copy of that variable got incremented, not the original I which is being used in the main function. And that is the reason we are getting the incremented value in change but not in the main. In main function it is still 1. Whatever happened in change function did not affect at all, or does not affect at all in the parent function or the caller function, as we can say it. So that is the concept of pass by value. But if we have some other object like employee or student, so this behavior will change in that case. That also will look in the next video.